Hello there, guys. It's been quite some time because the car has been behaving very well, okay? And I've been very busy doing other things. Now, the car went for service. Let me just flip the camera around just to show you what they did on its the 70,000 service, which is the seventh service, okay? Let me just flip the camera around. All right, it says there it was the 70k service. All right, they charged me, the total was 98 pounds 72. So they didn't do really much, to be honest with you. They replaced the rear wiper blade, which I left because I wanted to see if they will notice it. So they've changed it, and that cost me 14 pounds, which is on this one here. As you can see, it was 14 pound 06 just for that blade. I thought they were not going to notice it, but at least they did something. But other than that, I don't think they did anything else. So as you can see there, they checked all these. They gave them a green light, and the tires as well on the sides, they're getting finished, especially the front ones. The way I do with the tires is once the front ones get finished, I don't put them at the back. I don't rotate the tires. What I do is I take them off, buy new pair and put it at the back, and take the ones at the back, put them in the front, so that I always have brand new tires somewhere in the car. Some people, when the front ones, they get low, they rotate them. They take the ones at the back, they put them to the front. So you always have the tires that are almost finished at the back, and the good ones in front. It doesn't work for me that way. The front ones, I let them get finished to the legal limit, then get rid of them completely. Takes the ones at the back, put them in the front, and then put the brand new ones at the back. Okay, that's how it works with me. All right, so this is what they did. All the stuff they checked, they say they checked, maybe. All right, here's another thing, but here they didn't check anything. As you can see, they didn't fill this up. All right, these are the couple of things they're saying they did, but there are some gaps like this one here. Reduction gear oil wasn't checked, because if they checked it, they would have ticked there, isn't it? And then this one as well, the headlamp alignment, they didn't do it. They have to do it every 20,000 or 2 years. This one is every 40,000 miles or every 4 years. So they didn't do that. Okay, so this is what they did, which I don't know if they really. I mean, the rear wiper was easy to spot anyway. When you just clean the windows, especially the back window, you could clearly see that it was broken. Okay, so here's a receipt, 98 pounds 72. Okay, now because this is a taxi, soon I'll be going there because I'm already at 77,000 miles. So it will be going for its 8th service very, very soon. Now you may be wondering, why did this guy fold the papers like this? Okay, not let us see the other side. The thing is, on the other side is the name of the company that was servicing and my address and all that. I don't think I have to publicize that. The same on these as well. And these, I don't think it will be. I'm not sure about the law to publicize information like that. So I would rather keep it like this to be on the safe side. All right. Now, the other thing that I wanted to just check if they have changed or serviced is the Pollen air filter, because it's somewhere in here. You see, that's the thing with the electric cars. Even though they are a bit of a worry because it's new era, you don't have engine air filter, oil filters, and all kind of stuff. It's only pollen filter. So it's in here. I haven't checked. I just want to see if they. I think I have to take off this thing. I want to see if they they changed it, and if they haven't, which means I'll have to change it myself. It's I think you remove these things, you just twist and then they just come off. These two things, you put them and twist. You put it and twist the other way so it comes off. So there we go here. So the filter is in this box here. All right, I think maybe we have to kind of pull this off. See, don't damage. Come on, here. There we go. Very easy to remove, unlike the Citroen. Very, very easy to remove this one. Oh, there we go. Look at this. There we go. Look. And the car went for service. And here is the pollen filter. They haven't touched it. Probably in all the services this car has ever been. Look at the filter. Look. And the car has been to service. Wow. So I paid all that money. This is why I tell you that these guys, the evidence is here. The papers are there. The car has been for service, and I have paid for that. They managed to find the blade for the rear wiper because it was obvious. But things that are in the corners that are hidden, like these, they don't do them. So how can the car go for service and the filter is like this? You explain to me. How does that work? Yeah, this is a very, very old filter. As you can see in there, I've changed these filters a lot. And I can tell you if the filter was changed anytime soon. This one, probably it came with the car when the car was brand new, okay, from the manufacturer. I cannot see any time this filter that it has been changed. I don't believe that at all. When the car was new, it came with this. Kia has been servicing this car. This is the 7th service, but they never changed the filter. Now, you guys who always say that I come with conspiracy theories and all these companies really love us. This is a very good example of that. You are being scammed. We are being scammed. So I'm going to have to close all this. Okay. Manufacturers and all these car dealers are not our friends, folks. Those who are always crying for them, they have been absolutely been brainwashed. These people don't care about our cars. I want to emphasize that. These people do not care. All right, I'm back now. So I went to General Traffic in Fenton, and I bought the pollen filter. That's the amount there, $15.79. Right there, it's $15.79. The thing is, because I'm one of their good customers, they always charge me at trade price. I don't know if it's a true trade price or not. They're saying that it costs £21, so they gave me a discount. I think so, but you never know. So there it is, $15.79. Let's just look at the filter, because this is aftermarket. It's a little bit different from this one. See, this one has little spaces, but this one has bigger gaps. Let me just take it off this bag. Okay, this is how it goes. At the very end there is a slot where they have to slide in, and then it will leave like a little bit of gap, as you can see here. So when you put this is going to go underneath these teeth, or whatever it is, they go underneath to lift it up. Okay, so you put this, and then it lifts it up. Then you just push in like that. It's okay. So it's done. So I'm gonna change this in about 20,000 miles. Every 20,000 miles, change the pollen filter. Okay, and then this one you just push it in. Then we have these. They go in here like so. Okay, where is it? Come on. I hope they're the same for each side. Okay, come on. I need 2 hands. I cannot do this with 1 hand. Oh, there we go. Okay. Right. And then the side as well. You just push it in like so. Okay. What this does, they just hold it in place here. It's not like they get hooked inside there. No, they just hold it so that it doesn't go all the way down. Okay, so this is an air freshener. Somebody gets off the seat and it stinks. I sprayed this to kill the smell. So there we go with this. Put it in there, the cloth in here, tape in there, and then this is for the wheel nuts. If you don't have this, you misplace this, you are going to be in serious trouble, because you can't take out the lock nuts. Okay, so that's the rubbish. So I'm going to now clean the car, because very, very dirty, as you can see. Being a taxi, I have to clean it. Let me just turn the camera just for final sayings. As you have just saw it, guys, I just serviced the car that just came from service from the main dealer. Isn't that strange? But this is how it is these days. You just have to check. And I'm not going to come up with any conspiracy theory or say anything. You have seen it yourself. And cases like this happen over and over, not just to me, but also to my friends, family, and other people. So all I can say is be careful out there. Don't get emotionally attached too much to your car and the dealer. Don't trust them too much. Always check. It goes for service. When it comes back, check if they've done it. Check the oil. Pull the dipstick and see if the oil, before you take it there, take a white paper towel, clean the dipstick, keep that paper somewhere in the house or in the car. When it comes back from service, take a new one and clean again the dipstick and compare. See if the oil is the same. If it's the same, they haven't changed the oil. And because they haven't changed the oil, they haven't changed the filter. That's just how it is. We have to check these days, because there's just so much dishonesty. And I'm not saying everybody's like that, but it looks like there's some mechanics who are playing this game. So be careful out there. Okay, guys, I will see you on the next one, and thank you very much for watching and for your support. I'm still around. I know I don't make videos as much as I was doing, but I'm still around. If something comes up, I'm on it. Take care.